Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is David and in this video I will be showing you how to make these wonderful mixed media stickers. To start off, you will need a scan of a traditional sketch on a white background. Clean up all edges, smudges and dust by painting over them. Make sure the background ends up as close to solid white as possible. Once you're done, select the Magic Wand tool. Make sure that the area scaling is turned on and shows a number above 0. That assures that a part of the drawn outlines is also selected. This is important for a clean final result. If any part of your illustration has not been selected, as happened here with the shading below our red, simply go to the selection pane and select those areas manually. Don't be afraid to select over stray lines like whiskers. The method we use to remove the background will not remove them. Now with the entire background selected, go to Edit and scroll down to convert brightness to opacity. This will remove everything that's white entirely and leaves behind anything that is darker or wasn't selected. Remove your selection, pick the eraser tool and clean up any residue you might have missed. Next we're going to color the line art. With the last sticker I made, I used a desaturated blue. To keep the design consistent, I will color pick it from the finished sticker. To color the line art, create a new layer and set it to color burn. Make sure the layer is over your line work and fill it in with a bucket tool. This will tint your art piece in the selected color and make it stand out more in the finished piece. To finish it off, clip the layer to the line art by clicking the symbol with the 2 overlapping squares. Now that everything is prepared, the sticker is ready to be colored. If our sticker is based on an existing character, a color reference will come in handy. In this example is Gregory from Gregory Horror Show. Create a new layer and set it to multiply. Make sure to clip it to the sketch, so the color doesn't spill over the edges. Fill in the predominant color using the bucket tool. The white background allows you to get accurate colors in multiply mode while color picking from a reference. Pick a fully opaque brush to color in the separate colors. I prefer pens for this part because they are pressure sensitive brushes. It doesn't have to be perfect right away, since you will return to most spots with other colors. Clean up the edges whenever it's needed and carefully color in every portion in the appropriate color. Feel free to tweak the colors of the original if they don't translate well to your style. Let's speed through this and rejoin when the coloring is almost finished. This is looking mighty fine. Now that every color is where it should be, we just need to prepare for print and/or digital use. That means hide or remove the black layer I added for better visibility. I will do the same once the video is over. Then go to File, Export, and export as a PNG. And there you have it, a print-ready sticker fully edited in under 20 minutes. If you liked this video, leave a like and subscribe for more. Until then, farewell.